Hello children. In the last video, I have explained you. We have started with a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Community Helpers, and we have finished till Soldiers. Now we will start up with the page number 49 with Farmers. Farmers grow food for us. The vegetables and fruits we buy from the market and rice and wheat we get from the grocery are all grown by the farmers. What did the farmer do? Farmer is growing food for us. Whatever things we get from the market, this is all given by the farmer. All the grocery portion is given by the farmer. How does this food reaches us? Now, have you think of that? How does this food reaches to us? Let us understand with the help of an example. Now, there is one example given. Think of rice or bread we eat. What could be the link between rice or flour and the people who help us? Now, we all eat rice and bread? Yes. So, how this is linked between rice and flour? So, the story of food grains began with the farmer. The farmer make the land ready for sowing. Can you see this picture, children? A farmer plowing his field to sow the grains or to sow the crops. The farmer make the land ready for sowing. They sow seeds and look after the crop till it ready for cutting and harvesting. What does it do? When first of all he is sowing, then after that till cutting and harvesting he is seeing all the things which should be given to the crop so that the crop is ready for harvesting. Here you can see some pictures also. Once the crop is harvested, this is harvesting going on. In the picture he is doing the harvesting part. It is transported. Now, after harvesting, they all collect all the things and they put it in a vehicle. Transport to the mills. There the rice from the paddy is processed. Now, see here he has given to the market, and from the market they are going to the shops. There the rice from the paddy is produced and the wheat is ground into the fine flour. Then the wheat is ground in the fine flour. What we get it from where we eat the bread. Everybody eats roti, bread, and we don't eat exactly that wheat. That wheat is going to be done in a fine flour. The rice or flour is then packed and carried to shops from where we buy it. From where the shops we are buying, it is given to the shops. So, for the smallest bag of flour that we need, there is a long chain of people on whom we depend. What is this given? There is a long chain. Can you see that long chain? Here, the farmer is harvesting. Then, it is given to a particular man. That man is taking to the market. From the market, it is given to the flour mills. In the flour mills, that is being fine flour, and then it is packed and it is given to the shopkeepers. So for the smallest bag of flour that we need, there is a long chain of people on whom we depend. Now please take a pencil and underline all the things whatever you are seeing it in the video. Farming is one of the main occupation of the people of India. Now it is the main occupation of people in India. Fertile land, enough water and good seeds are some essential things that the farmer need. What did the farmer need? Fertile land, enough water, good seeds, and are some essential things that the farmer needs. Farmers often work in very harsh conditions such as extreme heat and extreme cold. Often untimely rain or drought spoil the crop and causes great hardship for them. Now, one more condition is there. After getting these things, it is not easy for a farmer to do. till it is harvested, the farmer has to keep he has to watch all the day, and then after harvesting he is done with the thing. Here farmer often work in very harsh condition, like when it rain we don't go out. So but in the harsh condition, extreme heat and extreme cold also, he has to go to the field to work. If it is spoiled, then its whole hardship is gone and we will not get the crop, and he is very much disappointed. So this was the farmer, a community helper. Now comes to the teacher. Teacher plays very important role for helping us learn many things. Now teacher is also a very important role which help us in learning many things. A teacher teaches in a school or college. A person who teaches us at home is also a teacher. A person who teaches us at home, sometimes the tuition teachers comes to our home to teach, they are also a teacher. It is not only for books based studies, and any person teaching extracurricular skills such as dance, music, art or sport is also a teacher. Not so here children, not only the books based studies, even the PT teacher, the music, art, sports, all the teachers are also known as a teacher. A teacher gives us the right value that help us to become good human beings. They help in shaping the future of each child and also the future of the country. We should always love and respect our teacher. Here it is said that teacher always give the right values to become a good human being. They help in shaping the future of each children, those they are studying, and also the future of the country. So we should always love and respect our teachers. Now in the next video I will start with the doctors. Till then, in the whatever we have studied, please revise it at your homes, and please underline the lines whatever I have underlined in the video. Thank you children.